This video walks you through on how to open different Chrome profiles in one Chrome desktop application. Let's just get right into it. The first step you need to take is to double click on your Chrome browser installed on your PC. Here I'm using Windows 11. Once it opens, you will see some profiles that have been created here. So let's say I want to open this profile here. I'll click on it and it opens. So I can say who is the richest in the world. All right. So which is Elon Musk. So let's say there's something I remember that I want to do in another Chrome profile, but I don't want to shut this one down. Okay, I can still open another profile in the same one single browser. So how you need to do it is to minimize this, then double click on the Chrome browser again and select the second profile you want to work with here. So let's say I want to work with this one here. So let's say I want to visit another web link here, maybe amazon.com. All right. So it's going to open. Okay, so what this means is that I now have two profiles open here. If I want, I can switch over to this and click on it. If I like, I can click on this and switch over to this one. So this is how to do it. If this helps, consider subscribing by hitting the subscribe button. Here we cover a lot on information technology. Hit the like button and leave a comment. See you some other time.